Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I was very dissatisfied with my last Bowdrill video because my form was wrong and everything else, and while I did get a coal, I wasn't able to blow it into life because of the it was really small and I didn't have a good bird nest. I mean, it might have worked with a bigger coal, but so I guess size matters. And so just wanted to talk about the set again. This is a set you can actually buy online. I'll put the link to it down below, at least to my video. Maybe I'll link the page. So the bow, it's not connected, it's just hooked on there. I don't know why, that's just how it came, so that's how I ran with it. And then the pieces, I just been keeping it in this Hidden Woodsman bag. Sorry, it's not a bag you can purchase. Well, it is. It's just that the possible pouches now look like this. So I've got my hearth board. So I got the hearth board, and then it comes with a little piece of leather to catch the coal on, which is, I think, it's pretty nice. Just a little piece of leather. And it comes with 2 spindles, so I've just been using the 1 spindle. So this one, which is a charred end, you can see. And then the bearing block, which it's really comfortable. I don't really get any hand cramp when I use it, and it spins in that. It looks like a ceramic drop. So it's quite nice. It's a nice set, I see nothing wrong with store-bought sets if you're practicing. So, I mean, granted, the company contacted me and they gave it to me, but I still think it's a great product. And not just because it was free, but because I've actually gotten a coal and I've actually blown a tinder bundle to life with the coal. So I'm going to get my knife out. I'm going to clean up this tip so I got a nice fresh start. And then, we're going to take another crack at the Bowdrill. Where's my knife? Oh, there it is. I'm using the Condor Stratos today, so riding in the sheath. Wow, what was the name? Red Hawk, I think. Wow, brain fart. Well, I'll get carving into this. So basically what you're doing is you're cutting away the wood that's darkened. Just like that. If the camera will focus. So, get rid of all the dark spots. So I might have to also sorry, I don't want to put the spindle on the ground because I don't want it soaking up any moisture. Well, this hole here is actually, it looks like I could get another bow. So I'm not going to drill a new hole. I'm just going to use this one here. I might be, well, because it's thick enough, I'm thinking I might be able to get another one out of this as well, but I'm going to go with this one here. So. So, let's get to it. Alright. Sunshine is really being an issue today. That's the downside to not having a studio to film in. I got my tinder bundle. I got my bird nest right here. It's one I already had made up, but I'm just keeping it on this bag to prevent any moisture from getting on it. I may have to turn so you can see. Okay. Come on. Man, this spindle has always just been like one of the toughest parts. Just getting it in there, locking it in. Okay. I know my... Dang it. Good grief. Closer. Start slow, build the dust up. Oh. Have ourselves a pretty nice coal. tinder bundle didn't take. Oh man. I had a much better coal that time, but the tinder bundle didn't want to go. And it's still kind of smoldering too. That thing was totally dry. Damn. There's not a bit of moisture in there at all. I had a really good coal too. Damn it. I just want to try hitting it with a ferro rod to see if it's like the tinder bundle doesn't want to catch. Oh, there it goes. Well, that's a bummer. Well, that's a shame. I had a really good coal. I mean, it was a lot bigger than last time, but it just didn't want to. The tinder bundle didn't want to. The bird nest didn't want to catch. It worked with a ferro rod though, so oh well, what are you gonna do? I still had a good coal. I know I had a good coal. I mean, damn. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Well, anyway, I'm still going to call it a successful coal, even though I didn't get the tinder bundle going, but that's just the tough breaks, I guess. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and catch you in the next video.